the KidPik box, and there's a link in the description if you want one. So let's just get into this. First thing it says is this box is styled for Samantha, right there. And then it has this magazine. Okay. Second thing that I see is this KidPik wrapping paper and sticker. Okay. So I wanted to get into the extras. So this is the extras bag. It's a little bag. I'll open it. Inside is pins. Yay, pins. So these pins, it's an ice cream cone. The ice cream cone. And then this one says hot. There's the third one. Or the third one. And it's like a rainbow heart. Okay. So those were my 3 pins. Okay. So I'm gonna put this aside. Let's get into the shirt. This shirt. Okay. So this shirt is really soft. I love soft shirts because they're so comfortable, and it says 72. 72 on it. And it's like really short sleeve, not almost a tank top, And it's so soft and it's stretchy. So I like this one. That's a 72 shirt. Then we got this we got a hoodie. It's a hoodie. And it's also really soft. I think this shirt with this and this on top will look really good. Okay, so far we got these 2, and then we got the pins. I'm saying this the last. Okay, so fourth, sorry. This is a tank top. It's so pretty. I think it matches the style of this one because like the 72 matches the same thing. It's so cute, and I love it because I could play it in tennis when it's like really hot outside. This is it. Okay. So yeah, I think this one's really good. I think these are the bottoms. Oh, I really love these because I could use it for tennis. They're like tennis courts, like I'm wearing right now. So I really like these because I'm not really a girly girl, so I like tennis courts. So it has like these little patches, and then clean, and then patches and clean. I really like that. So these 2 go together. These 2? Okay. Next thing is the leggings. They're like leggings. Oh, I really love this because it says a K right there. And then it's really light blue that I love. And it has these holes. And it's also super soft. I think this goes with this. Do you think? I think. I really like them. Okay. Next thing, the shoes. Ooh. I like these ones. So they're like rainbow glitter with the gold on the back. That's really cute. And because I don't like tie shoes, this is a zipper shoes. So you zipper it, and then you do that. Oh, they're also tied too. Didn't see that? But they're tied and zippered. That's really cute. So I think these shoes can go with any, and the outfits in the KidPik box. I really like that. Okay. Matching shoes with silver in the inside. Okay. So we got the shoes, and now I saved the best for last. Just gotta put these back in here. Okay. So this one, the first time I saw them, sunglasses. So these are pink lenses with sunglasses, and they're like my size with a black thing right there, like a black gripper, I think, and then it's metal, and I think this, because it's spring and it's getting hotter. Oh, everything looks pink in these. Whoa, that's so cool. Maybe I could see if you can see them. Yeah, like that. These are the sunglasses. I really like them. Okay, so let's go over what we got. So the first thing we got, I'll let you go in order. First thing we got was the pins. And then the second thing we got was the 72 shirt. And this can also go with this one. And then the third thing we got was the shirt, the tank top. And then fourth, I think, was these. Skirt. And then the fifth was this pants, the legging pants. They're really soft. And this was second. And then the last thing we got was the shoes. And we got sunglasses. Or probably in here somewhere. Yeah, here, the sunglasses. And it's getting really hot, so I'm definitely gonna wear these. And it also comes with this, which it tells you all of the things you got. And then I'll try these on later. But if they're too big on me, we'll put them on this, or too small, we'll put them in this bag, and then we'll send them to that, and they're gonna send us back the things. So I really like these, and I really hope that you get them. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!